Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amabenza TV. It's the Perpetual Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by Bito.
Yeah, Bito. Yeah, sure.
Sure. Bafethu. Yazi camera vandag ne.
Yes, man.
The coach then I think is found his starting 11.
Yes.
So begayidlala na Friday. But mina benginenkinga because amachita bewa cartel besitale Tuesday.
Yeah.
So njengoba ba criticize ukuthi Pirates in Friday was fatigued.
Yes.
So today he came back, we showed our class. AmaZulu is not a bad team. Atazwan is not a bad coach.
Sure.
The Pirates just executed their plan to make sure ukuthi abapressa sobavale khaleni bathina sibambe ibhola siyadlala ngama fullbacks wethu. But today ama-fullbacks wethu could not play because ilentuzane AmaZulu bevale le-pace kumele sikhuphuke ngazo. So force ukuthi sidlale la phakathi. Even ama-goals wethu wabonile siwakore kanjani. Siwakore ku-D-line. Lento bengisho lena ukuthi fanele sikore kanjani. Ngesinye isikhathi amajita ashaye ku-D-line. I'm so grateful for umntana kagogo akorile. Ngijabule blind. I'm happy for that boy. I think akaqine continue asebenze ukuthuma anga give up abambi form yakhe. I think kusele about 3 to 4 games. At least angasika 2 goals before end of the season. Mayibuya isizini entsha. Makavala isizini umntana kagogo akaspani hard enough. Mina ngiyayithanda le ntwana because iplayer lethu. Emove ubonile mfuthremi Martini no CM. Beba containing and ubhodlela uRemy bekakubonisa ukuthi the quality that he has. And I'm grateful to the supporters futhi ukuthi namhlanje there was no booing. You understand? We were behind our team as much as until the last minute. Really, as usual, captain number 2000, pure class, pure quality. Yabona lela goal lena should beba funa lela goal lena bekabonisa again ukuthi what quality is he. You understand? I'm grateful for my team. So into corner manje ukuthi sele nje ama game asele masingawawina so wonke and then labo mara wa start yakhili ba drop ama point iligi izoyithatha ngiyabonga ama player amola no Pirates wonke from the goalkeeper up to management technical team nalathi le bathi ifana nami le bhumba le ngiyayibonga la clever ngoba unomsebenzi wakhe awuchunayo at least fanele sivala abantu umlomo asibone laba abadlala manje ukuthi bazodlala kanjani but uPulukwane City ayazi inzima khona lo hleka abantu angithi I hope tonight ahleke ukhile I hope ahleke namhlanje but akunandawo
Thank you team.